What if the next life-saving medical breakthrough simply wasn't available where you live? Not because it doesn't exist, not because doctors can't use it, but because the rules say they're not allowed to. Most of us don't spend much time thinking about how medical technology gets from a research lab to the doctor's office. We assume that if something works, if it saves lives, it will be there when we need it. But that isn't always how it works. In recent years, scientists have developed new vaccine technologies that use genetic instructions to help the immune system recognize and fight disease. These tools helped develop vaccines that saved millions of lives during the COVID-19 pandemic and after. And researchers are now using the same approach to tackle some of the biggest medical challenges of our time. Things like flu, RSV, HIV, and even certain cancers. But policies that restrict these technologies could change the healthcare options people actually have. For everyday families, that could mean certain vaccines simply aren't available where they live. Parents might not be able to choose newer vaccines for their children. Pregnant women could lose access to vaccines designed to protect newborn babies during their most vulnerable first months of life. And if another fast-spreading disease appears in the future, some communities might not have access to the fastest tools scientists have to respond. These changes also affect doctors. Physicians could face fines or even risk their medical licenses for administering certain vaccines, meaning they may have fewer options to protect patients, even when those tools are widely used elsewhere. But the impact doesn't stop with today's healthcare. It could shape the future of medicine. Right now, scientists are testing personalized vaccines that train the immune system to attack cancer cells unique to each patient. Others are developing new vaccines for diseases that hospitalize thousands of infants every year. When new technologies can't be used in a state, clinical trials and research often move somewhere else. And when research moves, innovation usually follows, which means the next breakthrough, whether it's a cancer treatment, a new vaccine, or a medical technology we can't even imagine yet, may be discovered and delivered somewhere else first. Most people never think about healthcare policy until the moment they need the care it shapes. Because in the end, these decisions determine something very simple and very personal. What medical choices will you have when it matters most?